Welcome to this high-level overview of the Ranx and Tracer integrated database and docketing system for IP firms. I'm Paul Smith and I'm here with Nelson Lee. And this video will also touch on a few features that give you a sense of the systems. Tracer, which screen is open right now, is the IP records database that tracks all of the various types of IP rights, whether issued or pending. Ranx here is the docketing or bring forward system that we have. Let's start with an overview of Tracer. It provides a number of tabs at the bottom, allowing you to select the type of record you're looking for over here, or to do various administrative things with the system. In our case, we've broken up our files into general for general client information, matters is for advice types of files, litigation, prosecution, search, and opposition. We also have a conflict check facility that checks Tracer for conflicts, and a potential clients tab to record potential clients so that they get picked up in conflict checks. So we'll take you into the prosecutions tab. It opens up on the search screen. And what we have here are all of the fields you can search on, and we'll search with 9999, which is a set of dummy files we've set up for this purpose. When you do the search, it generates the results in the right-hand window. And you can see that we have a number of fields relating to each record, and you can sort them according to the way you want to. Clicking on the first one shows you the actual format of our display. This record is adaptable for trademarks or patents or designs or copyright. It's usable. For example, if you're dealing with a trademark, the title field would simply be the name of the trademark. The subject field could be the goods and services, and so forth. And of course, you have relevant dates and various information relating to the case. Let's select the second item, which is a United Kingdom case. And this record shows us it's a patent file. And there's the file number that we use and various information. This case was sent to an associate in Britain for filing. And this gives you information. And this allows you to track reciprocity using the Associates Report tab down here to see how many cases have gone out to a particular associate and how many have come back from that associate. So that is an overview of the Prosecutions tab, which is one of the more interesting ones here, and you can imagine what the other tabs look like. Turning now to the Ranx system, there are essentially two types of things we can do. We can enter in the BF module, which allows you to actually enter dockets or bring forwards for a particular case, and then the reports, which allows you to determine all of the BFs that you have for a given time period or for a given client or a given file number or file number pattern. We'll give you a view of what these reports look like. And these are the dockets for any 9999 files that we have. This is a printable sheet so that it can be circulated. It can act as a work list for particular agents and attorneys during the day. And these check boxes are used to indicate that the file has been located, if it's a physical file. When we get these, we tend to cross off a docket if it's been dealt with, or we move the date forward and so forth. And those get entered on the Ranx system, and when they're entered, there are check marks here so that the people entering it know that it's been dealt with. Now let's show you the batch template, the batch docket feature that we have. It allows us to enter a number of dockets for a particular case, and they are effectively pre-populated by the Tracer system. let's show you what those look like. We go to the batch templates here. We'll first of all conduct a search so that you can see the types of templates that we have so far. And here are the search results. The first one is for Canadian national phase patent applications, when the cases come in from a foreign associate. And let's take a look at the tracked items, meaning these are the rules that apply to create the batch dockets for this case. These are something that the user prepares, tailored to whatever dockets they like to enter at a particular stage in a case. So when you enter the national phase in Canada for our firm, these are the dockets that we select the batch, and the system will automatically populate them by drawing out the relevant dates from the tracer database and populating those dates into the Ranx docket system to be acted on. So you look at the first one here. This shows you the rule for that particular docket. It's 3 months from the national phase filing date, and it is to file what's called a declaration of entitlement. It's a deadline in Canada for us to do that. So that's been built up and has been created, and that is now part of the batch of dockets that are applied when you use the batch template. So that has been our high-level overview of the Ranx and Tracer system. If you would like further information, don't hesitate to contact us at Smith's IP. The email address is general@smithsip.com. And thanks for watching.